Hey guys, welcome to a new day and the first vlog in a while. I'm sitting at Home Depot. I'm actually in St. Thomas, so welcome to the St. Thomas vlogs. I've been here for 3 weeks already and I'm finally making it out of the house to go do a hike. I'm meeting up with Marcus Blyden today. You guys saw him in past videos. We've done hikes together and explored St. Thomas together, but the last time I was here, all of my footage from St. Thomas got erased. So we're doing a redo. We're actually going to St. John today. He's leading a hiking group called 340 Hikers. I think he's accepting people into the group. It's a Facebook group, so if you want to join it, I will leave it linked down in the description box. But yeah, it's gonna be a pretty good day. I'm excited for the hike. It's not supposed to be a hard one, supposedly, so hopefully we'll be okay. So we're going to St. John and we are doing the Lynn Point hiking trail, and we're going to Honeymoon Beach. So let me look that up and make sure that I actually said the right thing. We're supposed to be taking the barge over, so he has like a van and he's gonna be taking a group of us over there. Yes, Lynn Point Trail to Honeymoon Beach. I looked it up on All Trails and it's supposed to be easy. It's supposed to be kid friendly, good for dogs on a leash. It's 3.7 kilometers, 103-meter elevation gain. I was trying to compare it to other hikes that I've done before. So compared to the rainforest hike, I think it's about half, I think is what I saw last night. If anything, I'll put like the stats up on the screen, but I think it's about half the distance and a little bit less elevation. And then compared to the lighthouse hike, it's like the elevation is higher, but it's a lot longer, so it's not like steep right away compared to the lighthouse hike, which is what I don't like about the lighthouse hike. Even though it's fast, it's just super steep, so it feels harder than it actually is. But yeah, should be a good day. I'm seeing some people with their backpacks out, probably waiting for him, so I'm gonna text him and let him know that I'm here, and I will take you guys along today to St. John. Oh, that's also important. This is actually gonna be the first time that I have gone to St. John since I was probably like 3, so it's gonna be fun. I'm excited. It's gonna be a good day. Okay, bye. Once we got everybody loaded up in the van, we made our way to Red Hook to get on the car ferry over to St. John. I can't remember exactly, but it took maybe 20 to 30 minutes to get over there.
Yeah, well, we're not 100. I'm with Ajane. We went ahead and we started the group and we started going on hikes. At least now we're doing it at least once a month. So I'll go around, I guess, with me on this side.
Hi, Brenda.
So far.
Vanel.
Kariel.
Lashana.
Gamma.
Alright, and just so you know I said it.
Okay, we made it. Finally,
here,
this is the start of the trail.
Up on the trail, past Solomon Beach into Honeymoon Beach. And then when we come back, we're
When I go on hikes, I usually like to be at the back because I don't want to feel like I'm slowing down the group. I don't mind being left behind and catching up later, but with this group, they're pretty mindful about keeping track of everyone and making it a fun experience. The group was a mix of people of different ages and fitness levels, but the hike was pretty easy for everyone. It was really more of a walk through the bush than a hike. The path was pretty clear, so you don't have to worry about your legs getting scratched by any bush or anything like that, but you definitely have to keep watch for any loose rocks, especially if you are a little bit clumsy like me, because I definitely tripped a couple times while on this hike. There were some really nice views along the way and some paths that led to lookout points, so if you're feeling a little bit more adventurous than we were on this day, I would highly recommend that you go check those out.
That is just some hard. Walking up the stairs, camping in these little things on the side of a mountain. I'm like, save.
Okay, so far, I have to say this is the easiest hike that I have done in the VI. So if you're looking for an easy hike, this one is it. And you know, I don't really like hikes. Well, I like hiking. I like the reward at the end. But the work to get there, if it's too much, I'll complain the entire time. But it's pretty good today.
Like remember when I went to the big.
This was my first hike ever in St. John, and I still have yet to do a hike in St. Thomas, but I really appreciated the invite to come along on this hike because you guys know that I love exploring and I do that a lot in St. Croix, but I never really had the chance to do that in St. Thomas or St. John, so I'm looking forward to doing that some more and sharing my experiences with you guys. We can hear the water now. We made it! It's beautiful. And there are some boats out here.
I've never been to this beach.
Okay, the hike was actually really easy. We made it here. Everybody's already jumping in the water. Apparently the water is warm. It's beautiful, looking so clear. There are a few boats out. You can see some people kayaking over there in the distance. And it's actually the perfect beach day because it's not super sunny, so it's gonna be a good day. We have about an hour here and then we have to hike back because we're trying to catch the 1:30 barge back to St. Thomas. So we're gonna hang out here and you guys can hang out too and see what we get up to.
There's a wall on your right hand side. There's a duplex in there. If you made up the first straight, turn off. You're going up to come here.
Oh, wow.
But if you go straight, don't go down. That was the one. This was when we had talked. Oh, nice.
We had a nice quick dip. Now we're heading back up the trail. Everybody else is in front of me.